If the data set does not reflect the real world conditions, the model's output will also not reflect that. It will not be trustworthy. It's like it's like a mirror essentially of that data. You can also run into things like, depending on if you're working in a regulated industry, there could be underrepresentation of key groups, which leads to bias. I see that really, frankly, still as just inaccurate data. If it's unrepresentative, it to me is just inaccurate. It's not complete, or maybe it's more incomplete. It's incomplete data, and that skewed insights can propagate. Let's say maybe even existing challenges, maybe with demographic inequalities. Then the other thing I want to say is actually around diminished user trust. Anytime we try to obfuscate the direct interaction with raw data for a user, so basically taking away their access to actually interact with the raw data in a way that helps build trust. And yet what we do is we give them a tool or like an AI solution that, basically confirms that they may not should trust this data, and that their value is based on their access to the raw data, so that they can analyze it, so that they can model it, they can transform it, so that they can interpret that data. Those individuals will certainly quickly lose faith and will discontinue use, and that'll lead to a real challenge with the ROI. And this really just underlies the fact that you can damage the reputation or the perception of the quality or the utility, usefulness of an AI solution because of poor and inaccurate data. And that's not an actual function of the AI. It's actually a function of the data itself, right? So that's definitely one thing that I find to be pretty interesting about this, is that you'll give the AI grief for an issue that is actually something that precedes the AI solution, which is oftentimes the data.